Hi, my name is Carla Dizon from the Philippines.
My name is Le Tran and I'm from Vietnam.
My name is Anmol Gill. I'm from Punjab. It's a region in India.
For me, tourism is seeing the world's beauty. It's like being able to take part on other people's memorable experience. I really love to work in this industry because I know that I can contribute to the memorable experience of our tourists. What I love most about the program is that I was able to discover different nationalities, different culture, and knowing not just about the Canada's tourism, but the world tourism itself. Our professor has a dynamic way of teaching, and they have this different approach to the different nationalities wherein we were able to understand what the world tourism is.
The teachers are so supportive. They're always available to help me out with my assignment. They really understand about the international students' struggles and they want to go along with us and figure out any problem. The reason why I chose a tourism program in CNC was because I heard that it's a beautiful city and the tuition here in CNC is affordable for me as well. The courses that I took the last semester was so realistic. I felt that I can apply the courses knowledge to my future career.
I love the ambience of the college, plus it's so welcoming and warm. You don't feel you're not at home. The learning environment is very healthy and positive, and there is more practical knowledge than theoretical, so they emphasize more on the practical learning rather than cramming. After the completion of my course, I would like to go back to my country and invest all those skills that I will be earning in these 2 years and make the tourism industry more healthy over there.